I'm so happy to be here. It's wonderful. And my topic today is healing depression and fear with spiritual tools. And in contemplating it as we got closer and closer to the time today, I'd like to make sure that people also know I'm going to help with anger, resentment, all kinds of emotional and mental upset. Because for me, what I'm so grateful for on this spiritual journey, which I've been on for decades, 3 or more decades, yeah, more than 3 decades, I am profoundly, like, unbelievably, it's impossible for me to express the extent of my gratitude that I could go from feeling like a mean, wicked, monstrous, witchy bitchy kind of a person who just felt bad, I used to feel truly that something was terribly wrong with me, that I was fundamentally evil. And to be able to go from that place to the place of realizing I am fundamentally good, I am perfect, and so is everybody else. The gratitude that I have every day that this is the truth for all of us, and we can all realize it, and I can even have greater realizations of it. It's like the cake, the ice cream, and the icing. And if Lisa were here, I know she'd be celebrating that because she loves cake so much. And so this for me is the most extraordinary thing that we can all accomplish with our spiritual practice. And that's what it's for. So like a lot of people, when I started my spiritual practice, I was really coming at it from a place of the pain was pushing me. I was so unhappy, lost, confused, desperate. I was looking for something I could grab onto, and spirituality just was a beacon in my life. I thought, I'm grabbing onto this with all I've got. And I feel like for a long time, I was an extremely slow learner. And being such a slow learner, it took me a long time. And now, of course, I know that the timing was perfecto, and everything is just as it ought to be. And I'm grateful for that awareness. So for me, my whole journey is out of my gratitude, out of this realization and this healing in my heart. I've moved from my intellect into my heart, and I still have more room to, make that movement, and found the mind that is in my heart. And for me, it is about supporting other people and realizing they can make the same journey. Let's hold on to each other. Let's go together. Let's discover it. And let's know for each other that it is happening. Nothing can stop it. It is being accomplished. We have everything we need. Nothing is missing. And we are getting her done, as Larry the Cable Guy says. So that's what I'm going to be talking about. Practical tools, application. And I'd love to answer as many questions as people have specifically about their issues, because I think we can all learn from that. And I'm just so grateful. Thank you for making me a part of this, Bill.